Can I generate $5,000 or more selling put options in the next 15 minutes? Listen, selling puts is hands down the safest and most consistent strategy for weekly income and options. This guide will teach you better than anything else out there, and I'm going to back it up with real proof, and I'm going to show you a live trading session where I'm going to be opening real positions in my portfolio. When you master the timing of selling puts, you can bank massive premiums with minimal risk. So here's what we're going to do. First, I'll break down exactly how put selling works in plain English. Then I'll reveal the specific stocks and indicators that I watch before making any trade. And finally, I'll prove everything with live trades for my actual portfolio. You're going to be shocked at how much I can collect in just 15 minutes. And I myself don't know because this is a live challenge. We'll be tracking every single dollar right here on the bottom of the screen. All right, let's first of all go over a quick example of what selling a put option is, just so you understand what I do before I do it. Selling a put option, specifically what I'm going to be doing is selling a cash secured put option, meaning that I have the cash to take assignment on the put option if it goes into the money. This is a strategy for immediate income generation. And the first reason to do this is to buy a stock and generate income doing so. Buying quality stocks at massive discounts lower than the current price the stock is trading at, right? So picture this. There's a stock I can go to, let's say Robinhood, okay? This is a stock that I am currently trading, and this is gonna be not one of the stocks I trade. I have 4 stocks I'm gonna be trading here in this live trading session. But actually, Robinhood's really interesting today. So I'm gonna, not that I had a script for this video, but I'm gonna go off script and I'm gonna make this trade right now. This is a beautiful trade. Robinhood is down 8%. That's the perfect opportunity to sell a put option. Hello, if you wanna buy a stock, you should sell a put option because it's cheaper than buying the stock, right? The stock's at 124. Instead of buying it for 124, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to sell a put option, okay? I'm going to go to trade Robinhood options right now. And I had 4 trades, so this is gonna be, I guess, 5 trades total. First trade I'm gonna make is Robinhood. We're not gonna waste any time here, guys. We're just gonna get right into the business. Okay, so I'm gonna go for an expiration date that's gonna go out for January 2026. Very, 1 month option, nothing crazy, nothing even that long. And I am going to look for entry, okay? The whole point of selling a put option is you collect income and you look for entry, okay? Adding the premium and getting that income coming in is just an added bonus. Really, this strategy is for acquiring stock, okay? But at the same time, it makes a lot of money. It generates income via the premium. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell a put option right now. And I'm personally kind of struggling deciding. I'm gonna see the 120 here has a high delta of 62. A 62 delta just means there's a 62% chance of this option actually going to the money and me getting assigned, okay? I will get assigned. There's about a 61, 62% chance, okay? Now, there's 397 volume here. The premium is staggering. This is like literally insane, stupid amounts of premium because $12 as a proportion of a $120 strike price, that's well into the double-digit returns, okay? Now, this would be a great trade to make in terms of like higher, of course, I'm looking at buy call. That's all right. We're gonna go to sell put. No wonder it was so high. That made so much sense. That was so high. It's still really, really high though. The 120 is $7.15. Okay, that's good because I was thinking this is crazy. Okay, check this out. 624 volume, 39 delta, okay? And that makes a lot of sense because typically if the option's out of the money, it's gonna have lower than a 50 delta. That's why 62 delta I was like, wait, this is wild. This is the best option I've ever personally seen. So it's not as lucrative, but still pretty lucrative. I'm gonna go for this 120 put option right here, and I'm gonna hurry up because since Robinhood is down a lot today, this increases the price of a sell put option, okay? This as a return here is still very attractive. It's like about a 6-ish% return. The return percentage here on the screen. The return is going to be the $715 of premium that I can collect and the capital that I'm putting up, which is gonna be $11,000, okay? So that $11,000 that you're seeing as a max loss right here, do not worry, it's not really a max loss, okay? That's not a max loss because that only happens if the stock were to go to 0. Robinhood is probably not going to go down to 0, right? I'm out of breath because that's just impossible, right? That's preposterous, okay? What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna sell this put option, okay? And this is gonna be a trade that I'm going to put 2 contracts on, okay? These 2 contracts are going to collect, hopefully we get executed, guys. I really hope we get executed. The thing is, if you go towards the bid price, of course you're gonna get executed because the closer you go down to the bid, well, you're making a little bit less, right? You can see here it's 735. Yes, I'm gonna get boom, just like that, executed. But if I try to go for 755, guys, that's not gonna go through. Should I risk it? I'm not gonna risk it in this video. I wanna be time efficient. I'm just gonna go for 7.4. You can see here there's a medium chance of fill. So fingers crossed, guys. I'm going to put in this trade right now. Fingers crossed that this gets through. Boom. And we just collected $1,480.96 as our first trade, guys. We are on our way to making $5,000 in premium collected selling put options. This is our first live trade. Let's put that down here. Let's go to the next trade, which is going to be SoFi stock. I like SoFi stock a lot. I've been investing in it for a very long time. I've been pretty much preaching and telling you guys, if you're a subscriber, get into SoFi at $9 billion valuation. I was saying this thing's going to be a $30 billion company. The members in my community, they made all sorts and all kinds of money by following SoFi. Right now, it's in a really interesting spot. On the 1 month, it's down 13%. Again, when I see a stock that is down, that is a good put selling candidate. That is a candidate that I want to interview, that I want to hire, and that I want to stick with long term. Because when the stock is down, a high quality company, if you can get a further discount, that's how you get a steal. That's how you make bicep over tricep money. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Let's go ahead right now. Let's execute this trade real quick and get our second trade in. We're getting close to the time limit on this video, so I better hurry things up. Will I make it within these 15 minutes? Man, it's gonna be tough. Let's go to trade SoFi options. Gotta hurry it up right now. Sell, put option. And again, I like monthly expiry, okay? I love monthly expiration days because they're simple, they're easy, and they're not too much management. What I like to do is I like low management. So let's take a look at the sell put option right now. Let's go back here to SoFi, and I have to explain myself real quick on why I am getting into SoFi and what price, what strike price I want to pick specifically. Now check it out. SoFi is currently trading for $26.68, okay? The stock is slightly, very, very slightly below the moving average. We just crossed a very important inflection point, okay? When the stock goes below the moving average, that's an opportunity. That's an opportunity to pounce on a stock that has come down. That's really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a stock that is down from its high. We saw that already with Robinhood, down 8% in one single day. So I picked some perfect timing here in terms of making this video for you. This very special video. If you're enjoying it, please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me, okay? Now, for SoFi, we're at 26.68, under the moving average, and the RSI is about 43, 44. It's under 50. I like this stock a lot as a long-term opportunity. Not that long ago, this stock was well over $30 per share. I would love to own it at 25. Heck, I'm happy to own it at 26, okay? So you see a sell put option right here, 26. That is going to be another massive return. I'm going to put the return on screen right now. The way we get the return is by taking the profit that we collect from the premium and dividing it by the capital that we're putting up. The capital we're putting up is $2,600. However, because we're collecting some income, we actually don't even have to put up the full $2,600. We can subtract out the premium that we make. So we're somewhere under $2,500 worth of capital that we have to put up. Very amazing return. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to execute this trade right now. So I'm going to look at opening up about 10 contracts here. I'm going to open up 10 contracts, and that is going to be a total, okay? You know, I'm going to go a little bit lower here. I'm going to manage my risk. I'm just going to go for 8 contracts here. I don't want to use too much of my capital right now because I have some other big trades that I really want to place that I think are also going to be very special that I've done a lot of research into. So SoFi right here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do 8 contracts, and I'm going to try to get filled, man, for 157. Again, fingers crossed. Can we get 157? We got that medium chance, and it's not looking that good, guys. It's not looking that good because you can already see the bid ask change, right? It's 155, 157. Man, that's burning through the time. So I got to replace this order, and man, that's all right. So let's go for 155. We're going to go right at the bid because I can't afford to make this video too long. I have a big goal, big promise for this video, okay? Boom, we got filled for 8 contracts. We got an estimated total credit here of $1,255.84. We're going to add that down to the amount of premium that we have generated so far in this video. But guys, we are just getting started. We got 2 trades down. We got 3 more trades to go. Next trade I'm going to make is American Airlines. I've been trading this stock from the very beginning of my own career. I've been coaching for 6 years, and American Airlines has been very consistent over the last 5 years. This stock has done nothing, nada at all. This stock is just going sideways, which makes it the perfect candidate for selling puts and something that I call the wheel strategy as well that I've been talking about a lot. Okay, I'm gonna have a wheel strategy video for you at the end of this video. It's a special gift for you. Okay, it's completely free wheel strategy, but let's talk about American Airlines and make this quick trade. Okay, I'm gonna go to AAL. I love American Airlines because it's a great brand. It's supported by the government. There's no way this thing can go bankrupt. There's just no way. The PE ratio is super low, and it's essential to the economy to have flights, right? So American Airlines, I'm up 28%. I want more. I want more American Airlines. So I'm going to go to sell put right here, and I'm going to go for a monthly expiry. Hurry this up, January 16. All right, you can already see I already have some contracts here. This is actually a position that I opened up in my Discord community. I'm going to double down. I am going to double down on this position, and I'm going to open up 10 more contracts. It's not going to be a lot of money, but it's a very good play in terms of a small capital play. Very, very small trade. I'm going to click continue here, and we're just going to try to get this thing executed as our third trade, okay? Boom, we just got executed $389.80. Perfect. We got 2 more trades, guys. 2 more trades. Hang in with me, all right? I'm going to show you 2 more. 2 more awesome trades. And this one, I'm going to show you the technical analysis. Is very important, okay? Next trade is going to be Meta. Meta specifically, guys, very good stock because it has come down a lot from its high, right? If I go to 6 months right here, you can see how there was a big earnings surprise. That's something that I really look out for. As an analyst myself who used to work for Goldman Sachs, I look at companies that have missed earnings and they're no longer in favor with retail traders in Wall Street. When a company has a very disappointing miss, a lot of traders head for the hills. They end up selling the stock, and that is our opportunity to buy a stock at a discount, okay? So I'm going to be selling a put option, and in my opinion, there is no way we're going to be reaching this support level. Absolutely. I'm like 99% sure that 593 is such a value, like basically value steal for Meta. So that's exactly the safe put option that I'm going to sell right now. I do have a good amount of Meta already, and this is an expensive stock, so I can't afford to open up too much. It's very, very expensive. So I totally understand that it's going to cost me a lot of my capital, but I want entry, and I'm going to go a little bit safer here. I'm going to go for something around, you see, the break even here is 601.92. I like 600. So this is the perfect strike price for me to execute this trade because I want Meta at $600 per share, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to execute just one contract here. Man, I don't know if I'm going to hit my goal because this is I'm only going to be able to afford to do one contract here. I'm going to go for 805, okay? We're going to go ahead and execute this trade, and hopefully we get filled on this one. And I don't think we're going to be at our 5,000 goal just yet. We have just collected $805. So let's go ahead and add that to the bottom of our screen. We got one more trade, guys. One more trade. That trade is going to be Palantir. Palantir, a stock that I bought at IPO. I've been recommending it for a long time. I love where the stock is at right now. I really do. Over the last 6 months, the stock is up, but it's not at an all-time high. Again, when you're selling put options, you don't want to buy stocks when they're expensive. A put option facilitates you entering into a stock for a cheaper price and getting a discount while collecting premium. Very important mindset to have, okay? And because Palantir is not at an all-time high, that's great. But can I make $5,000 in this video? This is the last trade I have, and I cannot open up a big position. I cannot. I already have a decent amount of positions in the portfolio. I cannot afford to open up too much, right? So I don't even know what number we're at right now, but I have a feeling we're under 5K. So will this last trade push me over the 5K mark? Let's see right now. I'm going to go to trade Palantir options. And Palantir is something I like long term. I'm going to slightly cheat a little bit, and I'm not going to do a 1-month option. In this case, I'm actually going to do a 2-month option. I'm going to put a little bit more time on it because I really like Palantir long term. So if I put a little bit more time on it, maybe that'll help me make enough income to push me over the edge of the $5,000 goal that I had. So if I go down here to 175, which is the level I'd be happy to own this stock, 37 delta, 194 volume, and man, I think this will push me over the edge, but I don't know how much I made so far. So I'm going to go a little bit even more safer. I'm going to go for March 20th, and I hope this pushes me over the edge, guys. I'm going to make one contract trade right here, and we are going to see that final number if I can get executed on this trade. I'm going to go for every penny counts right now. I'm going to go for $16.95. Hopefully I get filled for $16.95, and I believe that will push my total premium collected just slightly over And oh man, we just got filled. We just collected $1,695. This is how much money I made in this video, and so far it has been this amount of time, which I believe we're slightly under 20 minutes. So I hit one of my goals, the other goal I didn't hit exactly. But before I wrap up this video, something really important that you must know is managing sell put options. I'm gonna give you a little secret right now that I've never shared ever before on YouTube. Some of the puts that I sold in this video have a higher delta than usual. I usually say to have a 30 delta, and I almost never say to have a 40 delta. However, I'm gonna break one secret to you. When the market is down, and when a stock is near its 52-week bottom, or when the RSI is pretty low, for example, on SoFi, we can see because it's below the moving average, that's one sign. Because it's below the average of the Bollinger Band, which is right here as well, that's a second sign. And because it's at less than 50 RSI, that is a third sign that tells me that I can go for a higher delta. So when I sell a put option, when these three factors are present, that is okay, because that means that the stock is undervalued. And when a stock is undervalued, it's better to go for a higher delta because you're gonna make a lot more money in premium. Plus, don't forget, one of the best things is that you do not have to manage a sell put because you like the stock anyways. So if the stock goes into the money, you're okay getting assigned, and then you run something called the wheel strategy. You continue to generate income because once you get assigned, you have shares, then you can sell call options. And that's where the magic of selling puts is. You get a discount, you get to buy the stock for a huge discount, you get paid, man. You got paid cold, hard cash in your portfolio. And then once you have the shares, then you continue to generate income. The game doesn't stop. You run something called the wheel strategy. And I have a free gift for you. I made a wheel strategy course. It's the best course on all of YouTube. It took a lot of time to make it, and it's going to teach you exactly what to do after you get assigned on selling a put option. That free course is right here on the screen right now. Make sure you get a notebook and a pencil. Take a look at this video right now, and let's continue your journey with option trading and make you some more money.